How to change birthday on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Play Store. Now you have to open that Facebook Messenger app in your phone, and you have to click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on this gear option, and you have to see here there is an option of account center. You have to click on it, and before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Click on personal details here and click on this birthday. Click on edit here. In this way you can change your birthday. Like I want to change my birthday September 28 like and 2001. Click on set. In this way click on save here, and when you have to confirm your birthday will be changed on your Facebook Messenger, you can see here like this. This procedure is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.